Hello, fourth graders. Today we are going to be comparing and contrasting themes across cultures. Earlier in this unit, we compared the themes of stories. We thought about how they were like and how they were different. Making these connections helped us to think more deeply about the author's messages. Today we'll think about the themes of other stories that we've read in this unit. We'll take a look at the themes of Saving Will Scarlet, and It Takes a Thief to Catch a Thief, and The Heist. When we compare and contrast texts we've read, we can think about how the story details are similar and how they are different. This helps us determine how stories with a similar topic may have a range of themes. Let's look back at the story It Takes a Thief to Catch a Thief. When I think about the rising action and climax of this story, I remember that Snare is a clever thief who helps the king get his treasure back. Snare uses wit and a disguise to catch crook and crack. I can use these details to determine a theme. The theme must be outlaws must be clever and tricky. Now I'm going to think back to the themes in Saving Will Scarlet. I remember that Robin Hood is also clever. He uses a trick and a disguise to fool the sheriff. One theme applies to both of these stories. Heroes are often clever and tricky. These stories come from different countries. One of the stories is from England and the other is from Italy, but the themes are similar. Now I'll ask myself, how are the themes in these two stories different? In Saving Will Scarlet, Robin Hood's motive is to help his friend. This supports the theme, heroes help others. But Snare isn't loyal and he only wants to help himself. I don't think Snare is a hero. These details support a different theme. There is no loyalty among thieves. When I read two stories about the same topic, such as thieves and heroes, I figure out the themes and figure out how they are like and different. Understanding similarities in themes helps me think about how characters approach similar problems. If you wanted to compare the themes of two different stories like we just did, you could use a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram shows what two texts share and what makes them different. If we were to use this Venn diagram here and we wanted to take the information from Saving Will Scarlet and put it on this side of the Venn diagram, and then It Takes a Thief to Catch a Thief, that information will be placed on this side of the Venn diagram. We would want to have on the sides of the Venn diagram what makes the two stories different, and in the middle, we'd want to put what makes them the same. Now in this story, what I would put in the middle is that outlaws must be clever and tricky, because that applies to both stories. Now, what information would apply to Saving Will Scarlet? Well, that would be heroes think and care about others. How about It Takes a Thief to Catch a Thief? What would we put on this side of the Venn diagram? Well, on this side, we can think of Snare and think that, well, some people are motivated by selfish reasons. Today, I have shown you how to use key details to figure out the theme in a story. We also looked for similarities and differences between themes in two stories. I'd like you to try this next time you're reading a story. Have a good day.